Learn English. 5,000 Phrases is an Android application designed to help users improve their English language skills through practical phrases and dialogues. This app is particularly beneficial for language learners at various levels, providing a comprehensive collection of phrases that can be used in everyday situations, from greetings to travel-related conversations. With a user-friendly interface, the app typically categorizes phrases by themes, such as travel, business, dining, and social interactions, making it easy for users to find relevant vocabulary for specific contexts. Additionally, Learn English 5,000 Phrases often includes audio pronunciations by native speakers, allowing users to practice their listening and speaking skills effectively. The app may also incorporate features like quizzes and flashcards to reinforce learning and help users test their knowledge. Overall, Learn English 5,000 Phrases serves as a valuable educational tool for anyone looking to enhance their English language proficiency and communicate more confidently in various situations.